Via here, and it's been a freaking while since I dropped a video, but let's come back stronger than ever. Let's be consistent and let's get it. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys on a how to create a landing page or a sales funnel with Clickfunnels. We're gonna specifically focus on creating a lead page. As you guys can see, pretty much I'm giving you guys a little screen right now of ClickFunnels. If you're not familiar with this software, you should be. This software is amazing. It's changing lives as we speak. As you can see right here, there's 92,000 entrepreneurs who are actually using ClickFunnels. There's 92,000 users on there. There's 908 contacts in there. 5.37 million funnels have been created and 3.7 billion has been processed. So if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels and what it is, it's pretty much a software that is the new website. It's the salesperson for you. You know, the what's it called? Can't get it in my mind, but the social norm of what a website is, it's pretty much this page full of like information everywhere, right? There's a home and about us, a contact us, and it's just like all over the place. Well, funnel, a landing page, is intended to sell. That's the best part. It's intended for you to sell your product, so whatever it is. So if you're into affiliate marketing like myself, it's to promote affiliate offers. If you have your own product, it's to promote your own product. You can do it all with ClickFunnels. It's freaking amazing. But let's jump in there. Whole purpose of this is to show you a lead page. So we're gonna go ahead and log in. Here's my account right now. Let's see. And let's just get straight to it. So let's go to funnel. Right here is where you create your funnels. I'm gonna have to block mine out so you don't see all these funnels I have. And right here they have the add new, so that's where you're gonna create your funnel. So they have a cook builder process, which is full of templates, or a classic funnel builder. But let's go with the cookbook. Let's make it nice and simple for you guys. Okay. So right here you have all these funnels you can choose from, all these options. So live demo funnel, membership funnel, survey funnel. I'm not gonna read them all because then I'm gonna bore you, right? But there's so many to choose from, but we're gonna focus today on a lead magnet funnel. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty much what it says here: give people an ethical bribe in exchange for their email. So let's select that and we'll go into detail of why we're gonna do a lead magnet funnel. So in order for you to get some sales as an affiliate, you need to give away, you need to give value, you need to, you know, provide your customer with value. At the end of the day, you can't expect them to, you know, opt in. Affiliate marketing is not no get rich quick thing. You have to put in the work, you have to be devoted, you have to put in, you know, the work and give out some value. So with a lead magnet funnel, what it's all about is you're gonna give them something in exchange for their email. When you get their email, you can use softwares that ClickFunnels has its own, Ashadanics Backpack, and they have their own email thing. I personally like to use GetResponse. It's a great software. You can actually sign up for free. I believe you get a 30-day free trial. So if you go ahead and jump into all this stuff, I have the ClickFunnels link in my description. I have the GetResponse one as well. So I mean, they are affiliate links, but you know, I'm giving you guys this content here, and you know, I hope to be able to help you out in creating a lead magnet funnel, right? So pretty much the whole intention of that email, right? So you're gonna give them something for free. Let's say an ebook, right? You're gonna get their email. You're gonna build value now. You have their email, and now you can start, you know, sending them out different content in that niche, in that specific niche. And you'll eventually, you know, build this relationship. You're gonna build trust, and they're gonna start buying from you. That's pretty much it. Value is important. You can't expect to get rewarded if you're not giving anything in return. You need to give value. That's a big thing here. You can't expect to get money without doing anything. You know, it doesn't work that way. You gotta think win-win. Win-win situations are always the best. So as we can go into this, we can see different little templates, right? So we're gonna go ahead and choose one. Which one is the most appealing to you guys? Let's do this one, this yoga one, or foodie. Nah, let's do this one, breeze. So we're gonna get this funnel, right? So once you click get funnel, it already starts building it for you. So that's the part that Clickfunnels is so freaking amazing. I don't know if you guys have, well, many of you guys out there, right? If you've messed with like WordPress and stuff and it's so complicated, this right here is very simple. You got this page here, right? Edit page. It's gonna load the editor, and now it's very freaking simple. Everything is in the template. You can just click, you can edit, you can change sizes, you can click the words, you can just start typing whatever you desire. Hey guys, you can change the title, you can make it bold, highlight it, boom, it's already bold. You can score through it, you can make it italic, you can pretty much click, drop, move. Very simple, very easy to use software. So let's get this out of our way. So we're going to create a nice, quick, easy landing page right now, a nice little opt-in, right? So okay, with affiliate marketing, you want to find a product that you want to promote, a product you want to get behind. So let's go into ClickBank. There's some good products on here. You go to affiliate marketplace. Let's click here, and you choose a category, whichever category you desire. Home and fitness, language. Let's go into spirituality. So if you go into spirituality, you have all these programs you can promote, right? So let's go by gravity. Gravity score is pretty much based off of how many affiliates are promoting that product as well and actually getting sales. So yes, gravity will show you competitive products, but it will also show you products that are actually getting results, which means that it's a good product. I always recommend that you yourself test out the product before actually promoting it. That way you actually understand how the product works, actually believe in the product if you're going to promote it, and you're going to get amazing results that way, because you're going to understand it better than other people. It's kind of like offer hacking, right? You got to understand the offer. So the best one is numerologist, which is freaking crazy because this has been the top product since like 2017. So if we click it, this is what you're gonna see. It's gonna take you to this numerologist page, right? And it's pretty much just getting people to enter their info, gives them a nice little report, and then offers them to buy. You're affiliated with this. This is pretty nice and sweet, guys. I mean, this is, if you have the right marketing behind it, you can push this so easy, and you'll make $15 per sale. So if we go here to affiliate page, you can actually put your affiliate ID. So making a ClickBank account is free, and you're gonna get that resource, and then you're gonna get that link, and you're gonna be able to promote it. So we're gonna do this product right here, okay, the numerologist one. So what we do need to create is a landing page, right, with this template that we have here for this specific product. So for numerologists, what can we do? Guys? Let's see. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And other repeating numbers are sending you messages. Unlock the universe. Your personality code with your free personalized video report. So you can pretty much give out, a book. So free video guide. Let's not make it video guide. Free numerology. Free numerology ebook. All right, we'll leave that. And we'll okay. So the way around this. Okay, creating an ebook. You're like, fuck, do I really have to create an ebook? For affiliate marketing, do I have to go through all that? There's other ways, guys. If you yourself don't, have the knowledge, why should you be writing this book that you are not, knowledgeable in, right? So there's a lot of PLR sites, pretty much private label rights. You can pretty much buy the book, and depending on what they have on there, you either get the license to actually share it. So let's just go into spirituality. Okay, so spirituality. Let's see. Okay, look, check this out, guys. So, Speed Spirituality ebook, master resale rights. Spirituality ebook, tap into the huge, highly profitable self-help niche with this quality spirituality ebook with master resales. Simple secrets to easily bringing in more spirituality into your life right now, despite what's going on around you. How to become spiritual right now, even when the world is going crazy. It's crazy. So you can buy this ebook for $4, guys. For $4, you can even sell it. You get the rights to sell it, but we're gonna give it away for free, as an opt-in, you know. So we're actually giving a book with the value of $17 for free to get, you know, the customers' trust. So what we're gonna do is, you know, you're gonna buy it, pretty much. You're gonna get this picture here, and you're gonna put that picture right here, pretty much. And it's easy to change, you know. You click here and you upload your image, but let's not go into that because all my private stuff is in there. But it's pretty much, you know, you click it and you upload the image. You put the title of whatever we got going on there. So we're gonna buy that book right here, you know, Simple Secrets. You just put that. So Simple Secrets. I know it's not what it says, but let's just go with it. Simple secrets to living a spiritual life you desire. Boom. You put the book right, you put this, enter their names. You can change the fonts, the colors, whatever you desire. You know, you want it a color red, just make it a little purple. Boom. You let them enter their name, their email, and right here you're gonna put your next page. So okay, now that we're on this, right, so you got this landing page, right, created. You're just gonna switch things out, put your own stuff in there, you know, add your own little mass on there, and then you're gonna send them to the book, right? So let's turn that off. So what you're gonna do here, they're gonna put their info. We're gonna change these words here. Get my free book now. So you put, you know, book. Get my free book now. When they click this, right here, you say your action. Submit order form. This will, you know, submit it. Send their link to your email, and it will send them to the next page. So the next page, and this is where you make your money's worth. It's a thank you page. So now that we got this page going, right, let's leave that. Let's not save it because I don't want all that crap on my account. We're gonna have a thank you page. On this thank you page, let's go back to edit. Come on, let's load. On this thank you page, you're gonna pretty much, you know, thank them for getting this book, and this is where you're gonna give them an offer. You can add a video. Videos convert so much better. You know, put a video over here. You're gonna thank them like, hey, thank you. Hope you enjoy the book, and you know, as a free gesture of downloading our book, we can also throw in a free personalized numerology video report. Click here below to get this report. So then you're gonna link them to that report. You're gonna pretty much, you know, get your affiliate link, and you're gonna put, you know, let's just add a button. So element, add that button, and you see all these elements here. It's so easy to navigate through. So let's just find a button, and we're gonna put the button right. You're gonna set the action. This is where you're gonna put your link. Boom, there's the link, right? Video numerology, that's the link. It's operational now, and you change it. Get your free video report now, right? And you want to add a video yourself over here. So we go back to elements. Let's add an element, and let's add a video right there. Boom, that's your video. Hey guys, thank you for, you know, getting boom boom boom. Get your free video report below. They click that link, and now you refer them to numerologists. Now that they're a numerologist, you're gonna submit this, and you have the potential of them actually, you know, being sold by numerologists in getting that report, and you're gonna make 15 bucks, just like that, 15 bucks, and so on and so on. So now the next part would be your marketing skills. So can you market? And if you need more help with marketing, um, there is a guy, Billy Jean. I'm currently enrolled in his like um, what is it called? The Advantage course. It used to be called the Genius Pool, and he's like a freaking Facebook ads master. So he pretty much, helps you build Facebook ads and all that stuff. And, I'll link the video up here so you can just click straight to it on my review of that site. But if you yourself, don't have experience with Facebook, those are the two resources I've taken, to understand Facebook ads myself. It's Billy Jean's Advantage course. He has Tuesdays. He goes on live and builds an ad with you from like 8 a.m. to like 1 p.m. He's in there breaking down details. It's a lot of value, a lot of content, and it's only for like around $100 a month. Or if you do not want to be paying monthly, I also learned a lot from Kevin David and his Facebook ads course. I also have a link to that video. I'll put that here as well so you can check out that review. It's been a while when I took that course. But if you do want to improve your marketing skills, if you think that's what you need to do, then check these videos out. I'll still link both courses on my resources down below. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much creating a landing page. This page will sell for you. So now you just need to test out your marketing skills and see if you can actually get some sales. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while. And I miss doing these videos. I mean, check out the time, 3:48. I was just so anxious to, jump on it. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. This was Mike Valle.